Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at Burnjaro Capsules, a supplement that's been popping up all over the place, claiming to help with weight management. The product says it's made with high-quality ingredients, meant to support your health and help you maintain a balanced weight when used alongside a proper diet. Sounds simple and effective, right? But let's talk about what's really going on. At first glance, Burnjaro seems promising. It's marketed as easy to take, natural, and supportive of your wellness journey. But the website is full of aggressive sales tactics, things like massive discounts, limited time offers, free shipping, and lifetime warranties. These pushy messages create fake urgency, making you feel like you have to buy right now. That's a red flag. Then there's the issue of fake credibility. The site says Burnjaro has been featured in big outlets like Forbes, Yahoo, and CNN. But there's no proof, no links, screenshots, or even quotes. If it was really featured, why not show us? Without that evidence, it feels pretty misleading. Also, the capsules haven't been evaluated by the FDA, yet they make bold claims about boosting metabolism, reducing bloating, and even improving skin. That's a huge leap without scientific backing. And when I looked for real reviews, just 5 glowing ones on the site. And that's it. No Trustpilot, no Reddit talk, and 1 angry Amazon review calling it a scam. Burnjaro might sound like a miracle pill, but the lack of transparency, sketchy reviews, and over-the-top marketing make it hard to trust. Be careful out there and always do your research before trying products like this.